Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young.
Hello, welcome to another food reaction and welcome to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Adobo.
Yeah.
So this time we're going to react again to Village Cooking channel. Again, congratulations for reaching 10 million subscribers.
Wow.
Now they are 10.1 by the way. It's just a few days ago. And yeah.
This is one from December last year, and now we're gonna make 1,000 Pani Puri. So it's how to make Pani Puri with the recipe. So
it says this is one of the most popular street food stocks all over India. But the origin is from North India.
Golgappa in North India. All
See
right.
how it is, what exactly it is. Maybe we know that one, or maybe we have tried already. We just don't know the exact name.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe that I name.
We should try it. Let's see.
Pani Puri செம்மயா சமைக்கிறோம் பயங்கரமா ரசிக்கிறோம் இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புட்டி எல்லாரும் வாங்க yes welcome you
Oh, it's okay. It's potato.
ரவா மாவே
Semolina. What is it? It's like a rice corn.
மைதா மாவே
Yeah, sort of corn,
Semolina. What is it?
wheat flour.
என்ன தண்ணி கொண்டு வா
It's like corn flour.
பச்சை தண்ணி
Water. Okay.
Just gonna make dough.
Okay.
நல்ல பேட்டி பெரிய சூப்
Oh, it's very firm one.
மூடா நல்ல ஒரு
Rice.
5 நிமிஷம் ஊறட்ட
Marinate 15 minutes. All right.
Okay.
நல்ல ஃபுல்லா
Oh, it's like what we eat with the one we eat with curry.
The naan bread.
Yeah, it looks like it's the same recipe with naan bread, part of it, guys. Maybe I'll make naan bread. Oh, it's actually thick. Okay. Oh. It's like tofu now. But
It looks like it.
So they make it thick actually.
Rolls out of it.
Oh, it's like a stiff bread.
Yeah. I think they're gonna cut it afterwards.
I love this plate. Everything you can do. Slice, molding. Really huge plate.
Yeah. It's a clean working space, so pretty cool.
Oh. Oh, and it's
Bit of oil, I guess.
so it's not going to stick. I normally use flour.
Yeah. The flour burns in oil.
செக்கில ஆட்டின சுத்தமான நல்லெண்ணெய்
In time, I believe.
Gingerly.
Can this oil actually be reused like 1 or 2 times? Because
Yeah.
normal oil we use, normally vegetable oil we reuse it when we fry that. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of work in it. Seriously, still have to do this. My God, this will take ages whole day. Oh my God, I would definitely eat it first before doing this. It's like cookbook.
Like chips, or something.
Yes, it's like cookbook. I mean, how to go cracker.
Cool. Yeah, they actually blow up. See?
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Cool.
We saw like this, it's actually like a candy for kids. There is a powder inside. When you eat it, it pops. I don't know if it's similar.
So this one we don't know for sure, but it's cool.
I don't know
I
if
love
it's
it.
soft or it's actually crispy. We'll see
Yeah,
how
or
it
it's salty.
goes.
I think it's just a plain sort of cracker. And you eat it with your food or whatever. It's maybe.
Alright, let's have a look.
Lovely to see. It's a lot of work though. You need to get them all around, yeah.
Okay.
I haven't seen them in any Indian restaurant. I haven't seen them anywhere.
I've seen this one, but I haven't tried because I wonder what it is.
Okay.
I was always thinking it's cracker, so I said, oh, we make it at home so we don't eat it in a restaurant. I didn't know that it's something else. It's like mini pancake, but it's crispy. But what was the recipe, by the way?
Semolina and whole wheat flour and water. That's it.
That's all. How long they're making this one? I think it's because they're making 1,000.
Mm.
Imagine how much you can make in this style of thing.
இல்ல எடுத்து காமிச்சேன்னா காமிக்கலையா ஏய் என்னடா இதெல்லாம் என்ன சேப்
It is a lot of work.
Wow, look at that.
They look yummy and delicious and very nice.
It looks pop and crispy and tiny.
Mm.
Huh. Let's see if they actually try it. It's like chips.
Yeah. Cool.
நறுக்குன உருளைக்கிழங்கு
Potatoes. Alright.
Okay,
கல்லுப்பு
Salt.
now we'll add a potato here, guys. Celery. Celery or parsley? Celery.
Coriander.
Look at that. Mint, of course.
Mint, of course, yeah.
Oh, I love always the fresh shallots, onions. Why you always guys cook so yummy? All fresh.
Wow. Ginger. Oh, here we go again.
மல்லித்தலை புதினா இஞ்சி பச்சை மிளகாய்
Oh, they have another one. They're not rolling it this time.
This is different because it's the whole is just a little and where are we now?
புளி
Tamarind.
Oh, I love tamarind so much. It's right tamarind. Oh yeah, to make it sour.
Mm-hmm.
I can see you.
Just very interested in what they're doing.
Oh, it's actually inside a hole.
Yeah, it's a mortar, but they do it. This one is like this.
It's
The other
a
one was
different
rolling.
layer. Huh. I have a small one like this, but not we do it.
சாறு இந்த புதினா கொத்தமல்லி
It's like you juice it. Potato. The potato
நல்லா
looks
வந்துருச்சுமா
so...
Yeah.
இறக்கலாம்.
Oh, I love the potato because it looks nice.
Mm.
It looks like a baby. It's thin, the skin, and it... Wow.
Cold water to cool it down and then cook it. Some sort of potato salad. Oh, now we're gonna make the potato, and then you eat that those chips with that potato salad.
So,
So they're gonna put this probably in with the potatoes. Wow, that looks really yummy.
mashed potato.
Too, yeah.
Dried chili. Oh. Isn't that hot?
Wait. That's how you get the crispy chili.
I need that one. I really love that one.
Yeah.
Rolling in Amazon, right? Where I have to put that one. It's too huge.
Cumin.
Bedroom.
Oh, this is so nice.
That's not cumin, though. It's
Yeah.
rice. I feel
No,
like.
cumin.
Oh, yeah.
Cumin seeds.
That's a good workout. Oh, traditional.
Palm jaggery.
Yeah. It's like a sugar, right? That's what I'm looking. I don't know what to get this one. Sticky.
Mm-hmm. Tamarind. Butter. And we're gonna filter it.
Wow, this food needs a lot of people to work to get
A
it
lot of
ready.
preparation, yeah.
நல்லா கிளிக்கணும் அவ்வளோதான்.
But this is how it's traditionally made. So lovely to see.
பானி பூரி ஹிந்தியில பானினா தமிழ்ல தண்ணி தண்ணி பூரி. நம்ம பூரி ரெடி பண்ணிட்டோம். இப்போ பானி ரெடி பண்ண போறோம். பானிக்கு உண்டான மசாலா எல்லாம் ரெடியா இருக்கு. இப்போ தாத்தா ஒவ்வொரு மசாலாவும் எடுத்து போட பானி தயாராயிரும். புதினா, கொத்தமல்லி, இஞ்சி, பச்சை மிளகாய் சேர்த்து வச்சு அரைச்ச தண்ணி.
None of these, indeed.
For drinking?
பச்சை தண்ணி.
Okay.
புளி தண்ணி.
Or sauce? I need it.
Tamarind water.
வறுத்து அரைச்ச சீரக பொடி.
Chili,
முணுக்கின கல் உப்பு.
of course.
கொஞ்சம் காரமா இருக்கு, அதோட சேர்த்து சாப்பிடும்போது அருமையா இருக்கு. புளி தண்ணி.
Tamarind water.
Another one? Different one.
I think we're gonna make it different.
தண்ணி.
Water.
That's a lot of water. Oh, it's a big pot anyway.
சுத்தமான நாட்டு பனங்கருப்பட்டி.
Sure, but I can't remember the ingredients. It's a little bit too
Palm
much
jaggery.
to remember.
Let's make it
It's like
sweet.
வறுத்து அரைச்ச மிளகாய் பொடி.
It's chili powder.
வறுத்து அரைச்ச சீரக பொடி.
Cumin.
முணுக்கின கல்லுப்பு.
It's very thin. It's, when you eat it like soup, I don't know.
It's not too
உருளைக்கிழங்கு.
You're gonna mash it. Of course. pepper. At least it's gonna be spicy.
It's, yeah, it looks like
உருளைக்கிழங்கு
it's a big
வேகும்போது உப்பு கொடுத்தாச்சு. இப்போ கொஞ்சம்
like a
கொடுத்தா
fiesta
போதும்.
here, a lot of food. I'm still wondering what is the juice for.
Wow. That is a lot of work, guys.
What? Wait. They
So
put
that- yeah, so
the sauce, depends which one you would like probably when you
So
order.
the one is the tamarind and the other one is the curry leaves and
and
mint.
mint. And it doesn't break?
It doesn't get soft.
Yeah.
Wow.
Impressive.
Cool.
First time we see
But
this one,
it-
guys.
yeah, really
Definitely.
do. But it's a lot of work.
It doesn't.
போதுமே, எனக்கு போதுமே. எல்லாருக்கும்டா. சாப்பிட்டுக்கிறேன் அப்புறம் எல்லாமே.
God, I am really impressed. Salute to people who's making this one. I hope they sell it. It's a bit expensive. A lot of food.
அம்ஜலா டேய் என்னதான் நீ சொல்றதுல கொஞ்சம் வேகமா இல்ல தாத்தா சும்மா சரச்சரமே அடிக்குது எங்கடா முட்டா போடு வேகமா இது பச்சை கலர்
And when you eat it, it's, my God, it's so
Like
quick.
a one bite snack. That's why they're small, so it fits in your mouth.
Yeah. Oh God. It's full because there's potato in it. And the onions, and the sauces, mint, spicy in their sweetness. Oh, the combination of mint, curry,
And the other
cumin,
one, yeah, the other one is tamarind.
tamarind. I love tamarind so much. I'm hungry now.
It's like
அம்மா டேல்ல குடிடவா
I also
எப்படி இருந்துச்சு அருமையா இருக்கு துபாடல நம்ம சைஸ் மாதிரி அவ்வளவா இருக்கு காரஞ்சரமா சூப்பரா இருக்கு
Pani Puri. Lovely.
சாரமாவும் இருக்கு இது ஆறதுக்கு அப்புறம் நல்ல புளிப்பு இனிப்பு சேர்ந்தது அந்த புளித்தண்ணி பனங்கருப்பட்டி சேர்ந்தோனே வேற லெவல்ல இருக்கு இன்னைக்கு
wow, they do it on the one. Oh, banana. Wow.
Luxury. They love it.
Wow.
It's
This
always
Pani
really nice.
Puri recipe is super new
Yeah.
to us. I thought it seemed like keropok or
Yeah, I never
Proper.
heard of it. No, but it looks lovely. I can understand that a restaurant is not doing it because it's quite a lot of work to do it. But it's
yeah, takes time and
maybe we should just ask one of the Indian restaurants. to
yeah,
make Pani
maybe
Puri.
we actually go.
Mm.
Actually, we only been with a friend one time in not actually. It's not specifically an Indian restaurant, but they serve Indian restaurant. That's what we tried there. Before I didn't know about the curry. I always eat Thai curry,
Mhm.
but when I tried the Indian curry, I said, "Oh, I love it." Tara masala, something like that, and
Chicken masala.
chicken masala, the onions, the naan. Oh, I have the recipe naan bread given with an Indian friend colleague
Yeah.
before. So guys, big thumbs
It's
up.
love the Indian kitchen. It's really nice.
Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe for more.
Yeah. All right. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Forever young, ever strong, ever brave.